Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Chevrolet Cruze and I will show you the O2 oxygen sensor fuses. This video will apply to Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Now, if you have a check engine light on the instrument cluster and the codes are pointing towards a faulty O2 sensor, before replacing the sensor and spending money, make sure to check these fuses. Both fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery. Under this cover, to remove the cover, you will have three black tabs, one here, and one here. So you want to press these two clips together and lift up on each of them. Once you have the cover off, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and this white piece right here, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. First fuse is fuse number 11, which is a 10 amp red fuse located right here, and second fuse to check is fuse number 47, which is also 10 amp red fuse located down here. Now, like I said, if both of these fuses are good, then you have to dig deeper, run some diagnostics, test the O2 sensors and possibly replace them. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.